What's up, Sumolings? It's Jay from AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today I'm psyched to talk about Tidycal, the scheduling app that makes it easy to manage your calendar and get more bookings for any kind of meeting. With Tidycal, you can minimize stress and maximize your calendar. It's the easiest way for business owners, coaches, and solopreneurs to manage meetings and keep things organized. With multiple meeting types, you can use Tidycal to streamline scheduling no matter what you do. To get started, create a new booking type, give it a title, and add a description. You can customize the meeting description and add text styling. Set the meeting duration and weekly availability to simplify your calendar management. Before we move on, if you're ready to book more meetings with Tidycal, click the Buy Now button to grab this lifetime deal now. All right, let's dive back in. With advanced settings, you can easily customize all your meetings to control your calendar. Change your schedule from weekly to specific dates only. Pick dates that you're unavailable, set padding so you're not stuck in back-to-back meetings, and limit bookings to protect your time. Tidycal also integrates with your calendar, Zoom, and Google Meet. Connect Stripe and PayPal to process payment for meetings and consultations. And for more advanced integration, you've got access to Zapier and the Tidycal API. Add questions to get the most out of meetings and set expectations from the jump. When all the settings are good to go, save the booking and copy the URL to share and start scheduling meetings. When someone books a meeting, they'll get an invite in their inbox, and you will too. So it automatically takes care of scheduling for you and your attendees. Trying to find a time for a group meeting is a pain, but with date polls, you can create a survey to make scheduling easier. Give the poll a name, set up the URL and meeting duration, and select dates and times. And then just share the link so everyone can vote on the dates. No more back and forth emails and sorting out people's time zones and PTO. If you're ready to simplify calendar booking so you can focus on the work you love, then grab Tidycal today. But don't wait, this deal's not gonna last forever.